Guys, media conversion is one of those boring jobs that should be simple, but somehow never is. One file needs to be MP4, another needs the audio pulled out, and suddenly you need subtitles exported as well. Now today we're taking a look at NeedKeep, which is a desktop tool for video conversion, audio extraction, subtitle export, and authorized media saves. So if you work with video, audio, captions or project files and just want to keep those jobs in one place, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon where you could be notified of new videos. So guys, this is NeedKeep. Now this is a Windows desktop app focused on media conversion, audio extraction, subtitle export and saving authorized media files where you have the permission to do so. Now, I'm not going to pretend converting files is exciting, but if you work regularly with video files, audio clips, subtitles, or archive media, then this sort of tool can definitely be useful. Now, the basic idea is that you can convert files into formats like MP4, MOV, MP3, and WAV. You can pull audio out of video, you can generate subtitles and export them as a .srt file, and you can save authorized video, audio or subtitle files from supported sources. And that authorized bit is important. You must only use this for content that you own, content that you've licensed, or content that you're allowed to save and convert. Now guys, before we get into it, NeedKeep did send me this for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's jump into it. Now, NeedKeep is built around two main workflows, convert mode and save mode. Now, convert mode is probably the main one that everyone will use the most, right? You drag in your media files, you choose the format you want, adjust the settings if needed, and export it. So if you've got an MOV file that needs to be an MP4 or a video where you need only the audio as an MP3 or a WAV, that's the sort of job that this tool is built for. And yes, I know, there are loads of converters out there. We know this, right? But the point here is keeping the common jobs together in one desktop workspace rather than jumping between different apps or using random online converters. You can choose practical formats, adjust things like bitrate and aspect ratio, and export the files in a format that you can actually use for editing, delivery, archiving or sharing. Now guys, the audio extraction is pretty straightforward as well. If you've got a video file and you only need the sound, NeedKeep can pull that out into a separate audio file, and that's pretty useful if you've recorded a video but you want the voice track, interview audio, training audio or reference sound without keeping the full video file attached to it. And then guys, there's subtitle export. NeedKeep includes AI subtitle recognition and can export subtitles as SRT files. And for me, this is probably one of the stronger features because you know what? SRT files are useful outside of the app. You can edit them, check them, translate them, upload them to YouTube, or just keep them with your project. And that's much better than captions being stuck inside a single piece of software. But guys, word to the wise, still check the subtitles before using them, right? Because you know what? AI captions can make mistakes, especially with names, product terms, accents, or poor audio. But if it gives you a clean starting point and an editable SRT file, well, you know what? That can only be a good thing. And guys, the second workflow is save mode. Now, this lets you paste or browse to a supported media page, choose the format, resolution, audio or subtitle options, and then save the authorized files locally. Again, like I said, this only applies where you have permission to save that content. But you know what? For your own media, licensed files, client approved sources or archive work, it means that you can bring the source file into the same workspace and then convert it, extract audio or export subtitles from there. And that is pretty much the benefit of NeedKeep. It's not trying to do everything. It's putting a few common media jobs together, convert the file, pull the audio, export the subtitles, save the authorized source files when needed, and there you go. And now guys, at the moment, NeedKeep is available for Windows 10 and 11. The Mac version is listed as being in development, but it's not available yet. Now, if you only convert the odd file and, now and again, then you probably don't need a dedicated desktop app. But if this is part of your regular workflow, having those tools in one place absolutely makes sense. So guys, there you have it. NeedKeep is a simple desktop tool for the less glamorous side of media work. The conversion and audio tools are useful as well, but the real value is having those jobs together in one workspace. And guys, at the time of this video going live, there are a few pricing options, starting with a free plan. Yes, free plan. So you can do some real world testing first. And then you know what, once you're happy, there are a few different licensing options to choose from. Now guys, as always, I'll leave all links and any further discounts in the description. And if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to NeedKeep for sending me this pretty cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.